Guys, after so long, Jessica is finally back. Honestly, I cannot wait. Let's get to it. Hey guys, I'm ThatKpopBoyJaylen, and today we're gonna be reacting to Jessica's new music video, Beep Beep. Very, or I'm pretty sure it's like the same title as Girls' Generation's Japanese album. But anyways, I cannot wait to check this out. It's been too long since I've seen Jessica release a song. It's been a while, like a long time. And honestly, I cannot wait to check it out. I think like the last time I checked out anything from Jessica was when she did a cover of Almost, one of her famous like covers that she's done when she was with Girls' Generation. But now I cannot wait to check this out. I guess I gotta support her, because Sown for life. I will support all 9 members. Know this for sure. But I cannot wait to check this out. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this reaction started. Alright guys, in 3, 2, 1, now. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, everything's so pink. Oh, she looks so good. Oh, I miss that voice. Wow, everything's so pink. She looks gorgeous. Oh my god, Jessica. Oh my god, I miss her. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, there's choreography too. Dancing. I see you too, girl. Oh. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. I like that. Oh. Oh. Okay, I was not expecting a rap part. What the heck? I love this song already. This is so good. I love this. Beep beep. Yo, she's looking so good. I can't. Like, I miss her so much. Oh. Whoa, that's very pink. Oh my god, I miss Jessica so much. She's so gorgeous. Look, like all of her clothes, her outfits, like they look so good. Oh man, the vocals! Oh my god. Oh, she's like I can't stop saying she's gorgeous because she is. Oh my god. I love this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I swear to god I miss her so much. Like I miss that voice from Jessica. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So that was Jessica's Beep Beep. I love it so much. I really loved it. Like, it was so catchy for sure. It was very pink as well. And I don't know, I just love this so much. Like, bro, it's so good. It's oh my god, like honestly, it's really like I swear it's been so long since I've seen like a song from her, but like let me see, what was her last song? Oh my god, 6 years ago. Holy, yeah. So it has been a while. Holy moly. Oh, she had another song. Oh, I missed this one. Okay, I'll definitely have to check that out on my own time. But yeah. But the last song that I technically like checked out from her was Summer Storm for sure. Holy, but yeah, it's really nice to see Jessica back in the singing again, and I can't wait to see some more. Hopefully, but it's really nice to see her singing again. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much my reaction for today, guys. All right, guys, laters.